Hello everyone. Today we will learn the textual writing skill of the 8th unit part A of the 9th standard English textbook SSC Board Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The name of this lesson is The Accidental Tourist. In this lesson we have the textual writing skill. That is what we are going to learn today, that is the letter writing, informal letter writing. Before we get into the skill, let's just look at the pattern to follow in order to write a letter. Firstly, write the place and date to the right hand top corner. Then greet the recipient. Then never start a letter with a question, start with a statement. Then whatever pleasantries you have to exchange in the first paragraph itself. And in the second paragraph, elaborate on the main theme and conclude conveying regards to the family members. On to the question here. Here in our textbook, we are given a letter. That is, here the question goes this way. Read this letter, and they have given us a letter wherein the narrator or the author Bill Bryson writes to W. Bryson. Firstly, I will read the letter for you, then we will get into the question. Dear W. Bryson, hope you are doing well by the grace of God. I always remember the days we spent at different tourist places last summer. Here is an important matter I would like to bring to your notice. Very recently, when I was on my journey, the airport clerk examined my ticket and travel cards and pointed out that the card with me was your card. So the card got exchanged, you all know. Yeah, the card of W. Bryson got exchanged with the card of Bill Bryson. Right. So here the author has written to W. Bryson. What else did he do? I think the exchange of cards might have taken place when we met at the hotel recently. Hope you will check and send my card at the earliest. Anyhow, here I am enclosing your card. So what did he do? He is sending the card of W. Bryson to W. Bryson. Yeah. And then he is telling about the exchange of cards. That is, maybe till now W. Bryson had not checked with the card. So he is sending the card and informing him. In a way, he is expecting W. Bryson to send back his card. Right? So here we go with the question. Imagine that you were W. Bryson and write a letter to Bill Bryson expressing regret for the blunder. Regret means feeling sorry, apologizing. Yeah, blunder means a big mistake. For that, W. Bryson should write a regret letter. That is what we ought to write. As they are not much close friends and it has happened by mistake, the exchange of cards has happened by mistake and the friendship is a very short friendship, there is not much that we are going to write in the letter. We are just going to write about the card, the apology, and we are going to conclude. Here goes a letter this way. Write the from address. Here in the textbook, we are given the from address, that is the address of W. Bryson, that is St. John's Avenue, Washington. So, firstly, we are writing the from address and the date. Then, dear Bill Bryson, I am fine. I hope the same with you. I regret for the inconvenience caused to you due to the interchange of our cards. I often recollect the nice moments we had together and feel happy about it. Thank you so much for mailing my card. So firstly, he is thanking for mailing his card to him. And then what he is doing? I am mailing your card. I once again apologize for the trouble you had to face because of my recklessness. So here he is regretting for his blunder. That is, he is apologizing for the mistake he had done. Then conclude the letter. Convey my regards to your family members. Yours affectionately, W. Bryson. Then you write the to address. To address also is given in the textbook. To Mr. Bill Bryson, St. Paul's Avenue, Boston. Hope you had understood how to write a letter of apology and the pattern to follow in order to write an informal letter. I do believe this session was useful to you all. Hope you would subscribe, share with your friends, click the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.